What's up, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about the basics of affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you how it all works. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I bring out videos to help you start to make money online. So go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description below and I'll send that straight to you. So, affiliate marketing, if you don't know much about it, then brilliant. This video is just for you. So, the concept of affiliate marketing is actually pretty easy to grasp. Really simple. So, affiliate marketing works like this. Now I'm going to use Amazon as an example because they have the biggest affiliate marketplace or affiliate program in the world. So over on Amazon, now you can sign up to become an Amazon associate, an affiliate for Amazon, and if you sell anything on their website, you make a commission. Because when you find a product that you want to promote, let's just say this one. So once you found a product, no matter what network you are using, you get an affiliate link. So that affiliate link, which is just here, is hard coded to you. Obviously this link isn't, that's hard coded to me, but this is an affiliate link for this product. Now if someone goes through my link, this link just here, and purchases anything, that's anything on Amazon, then I make a commission because that's hard coded to me. Now no matter what network you're with or what affiliate product you are going to use, you get your own link. So if I shared this link around with a friend or family or did some marketing, then anyone who goes through it and buys something, I make a commission. So that is essentially it. Affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Really simple. You're helping other companies sell their products, bring in traffic to their products as well, and then when someone purchases that through your link, you make a commission. Really simple. Now where most people go wrong, they try and send traffic, and all traffic is people on the internet. They try and send traffic directly through to their link, which is a big no-no. Now if you want to get serious about affiliate marketing, then you have to build out an email list. Now let me go more in depth with that. So this is just a little funnel that I have put together. Now with affiliate marketing, there's two types of traffic. There's lots of different sub-niches in that traffic, but there's generally only two types, and that is paid and free. So here we have the paid and here we have the free. Now if you are going to start affiliate marketing, ask yourself these two questions. Do you have more money than time, or do you have more time than money? It's really important to know that, because if you have more money than time, then once you've set all this up, you can go directly to paid advertising because you have the money and you don't have much time. Now if you have more time than money, then you can start with free traffic. Okay, so what is all this just here? Well, this is a simple sales funnel. Okay, so we start with the free traffic or the paid traffic, and we send them to an opt-in form, a squeeze page. This is just a page on the internet where you can capture someone's email. You give something away for free in return for their email address. Okay, so if you're in the gardening niche or fitness niche, then you can give away a free PDF or a free ebook on, say, 6 ninja tactics to get a 6-pack in 10 days. For an example, you obviously wouldn't want to use that, but that's where you give something away for free to capture their email. Now, I'm going to get into in a minute why we capture their email. But after you've captured their email, they go straight to a thank you page, and then from that thank you page you can redirect them to an affiliate product. And if they buy the product, that's when you make a commission. That's how you make the moolah. So, and also once they put their name or their address, email address into the squeeze page, it goes directly onto an email list which you own. Okay, now with the email list you have your first email which goes straight back to the thank you page or the sales page, and then you send out emails every single day providing value and selling cool stuff. Now, why do we send the traffic to the squeeze page and not directly to the offer? Well, it's because you want to build an email list in the niche that you want to do affiliate marketing in. See, you own that email list. No one can take that away from you. And this is where you build trust. You get people, you get people to know, like, and trust you. Because people only buy from people that they know, like, and trust. So putting them onto an email list is your opportunity to build a relationship with your email list, and you can potentially sell stuff for years and years to come. It makes sense, right? Now, the easiest way to actually do this is with YouTube. YouTube free traffic. Now, there's multiple ways you can do this. You can make videos with your face on them. You can make content videos. You can make slideshows. There's so many different ways to make videos, get traffic to your squeeze pages, and make money in the process. Now, if you're interested in making all this, starting affiliate marketing with YouTube, then I do have a course coming out in the near future called Tube Affiliate Mastery. And this is going to take you step by step on how to set everything up. I'm also going to bring out some cool videos just for the channel, or just for the inner circle members. That's Stackers Inner Circle. So if you aren't a member already, I suggest clicking that link in the description below, going through and joining. It's completely free to join, but I will be bringing out affiliate marketing training for free for Inner Circle members. So go and join right now. So that's pretty much how affiliate marketing works. And if you want to start doing affiliate marketing, then I suggest doing it this way, and also using free traffic, because with affiliate marketing most people do this wrong. I reckon using paid traffic is completely wrong to do affiliate marketing. Now, why is this? Well, when you're using free traffic, whether that's Instagram, Facebook or YouTube, you are first building a following. So it's much easier to find products that fit your audience or your following and sell it that way. Because if you're building an audience, that group of people that know, like and trust you, then they're going to want to buy stuff from you in the future. Whereas using paid traffic, you can still make a hell of a lot of money with paid traffic. Don't get me wrong, it does work. It's just harder than it is this way, because it's harder to find a product and then find people to sell it to than it is to build a following and then find products for that following. Now, if you found value in this video, leave a comment down below saying value. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stackinprofit, and I'll see you again soon.